tired right now. I'm just drawing. Okay.
Alright.
Alright, we're good? You good?
Good.
When it fell from the sky, just blew me away, and I didn't know what to do. How could something so dark come from something so pure, something so clear and so blue? It was like a stone slipping slowly away to the bottom of the ocean. I felt so alone, full of anger and pain in the chaos of my emotion. And what I saw was my life full of all its mistakes, and what I felt was the point at which everyone breaks, and what you see was a man with his face on the ground, and what you hear is the unforgettable sound. Now I am empty. The things that remind me just make me feel hollow inside. I can feel myself crumbling. The truth of it is that all I had was a lie. I look all around, hoping something will save me to keep me from feeling this way. As I slip toward the edge, where the things that are mine are crumbling and I am betrayed. What I saw was my life full of all its mistakes, and what I felt was the point at which everyone breaks, and what you see was the man with his face on the ground, and what you hear is the unforgettable sound. So I am torn as I'm pouring my heart and my feelings out onto the pen. I know you won't hear me, though I scream with the roar of a lion inside of a cage. As the darkness surrounds, I fall to my knees and I lower my face to the ground. Can't take any more, and I choke from my lungs the unforgettable sound. What I saw was my life full of all its mistakes, and what I felt is the point at which everyone breaks.